Grow your business with Woodpecker. What is a woodpecker? Woodpecker is an intuitive tool that helps B2B companies connect with potential customers and business partners, which makes it easier to keep the conversation going. Woodpecker features: first, cold email; second, follow-up mail; third, deliverability monitor; 4, integration; 5, bounce shield. First, cold email. In short, a cold email is an initial email you send in order for customers without prior contact with them firstly sent out on their behalf. Second, follow-up mail. Sending follow-up emails is a great way to engage with customers and increase the likelihood of them buying your product or service. Third, deliverability monitor. Woodpecker monitoring these emails mail includes keeping the track of the mail, checking the delivery rate, checking the open rate, bounce rate, and all such things. Fourth, integration. You can integrate the Woodpecker with the various platforms for your ease. This is an important feature because it will save a lot of your time and energy. 5. Bounce shield. You can integrate the Woodpecker with the various platforms for your ease. This is an important feature because it will save a lot of your time and energy. Woodpecker pricing plans are as follows. Pros. First, and easy to use and understand. The interface is user-friendly. Second, customer service is always available. Third, strong security measures are taken. Cons. First, the major downside to Woodpecker is that it lacks two very important features for email marketing, which are automation and segmentation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For more information, please visit our website idealonlinebusiness.com. Link for the website is given in the description box below.